Hello everyone, we are here with the Red Rocket today because I got some parts in that I just had to show you. Was able to get them for pretty cheap actually. I will have the link to the description. I have the link to all the parts in the description, and is all pretty much everything I need to mount the 8 3/4 in this thing. So let's take a look at it. Alright, let's take a look at it. I'm going with a parallel 4-link and panhard bar. And this right here is the upper coilover shock mount. This is the tube that's going to be welded to the frame. Hang on, phone was a little loose. This is the tube that's going to be welded to the inside of the frame, and then the shock mounts that are going to be welded to the tube for the upper mount. And these here are for the lower mount going on the rear end. And those are various bracing brackets that will be probably welded into this right here, because I think that's what it came with. Yeah, came with these. And those are going to be welded to the inside of the frame, and that to the rear end. And going with the parallel 4-link instead of the triangulated 4-link like my rear end, like the rear end is currently set up for, means I'm going to have to plasma cut and smooth out all the bracketry right there. Going to have to cut it off and smooth it out for the parallel 4-link stuff. I don't want to fool with trying to get this triangulated 4-link set back up in this thing, because I can always, down the road, if I'm not happy with it, if I'm not happy with the way it's performing, I can always change it down the road. But for now, we'll be going with the parallel 4-link, which I think is going to be working out very well. Getting this rear end welded in probably will not happen until probably January, February. That's going to be the coldest months for us, so where I am. So I don't know. It may not be going in until March. It just depends on the weather and depending on how I feel like and how me and my brother-in-law, Angelique Garage, is feeling. If we want to mess with it being cold outside, of course, it's going to be under our carport again. And I really, really cannot wait to see car tires up under this thing. It's going to be awesome. I'm thinking about going ahead and getting the 1-inch wheel spacers that I'm probably going to need to get the wheels out where I want them. That way, when I'm doing the test fit with some 15-inch rims I have with tires on them, they're spaced out roughly where they're going to be. So let's take one more look at these, and that'll be it for this video. Not really much going on, just showing parts I've gotten and just an update on it, and that'll be it. Parallel 4-link, panhard bar, lower shock brackets, upper coilover shock bracket and bar, and various extra bracings going in the Red Rocket. One step closer to getting this monster done. Really, really looking forward to getting this, getting that rear end in, and then focusing on getting the front frame done so we can test fit this 440 in there. But that's going to be it for this video. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.